हेलो गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू माय चैनल द इनविजिबल ट्रेडर। वीडियोस अगर आपको अच्छे लगते हैं तो लाइक कमेंट शेयर कीजिए और बाकी लोगों को हमारे साथ जोड़िए। कल हमने कोई वीडियो बनाई नहीं थी बट मैंने कम्युनिटी में आपको अपडेट कर दिया था चार्ट के साथ कि व्हाई वी शुड नॉट बी एन अल्ट्रा बुल इन मार्केट। मंडे ट्यूसडे हमारा व्यू रेड साइड का ही था। दैट मींस वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग ए बेटर सेल साइड ऑफ कोर्स, बट मॉर्निंग में अगर आप देखोगे मॉर्निंग जहां से स्टार्ट हुआ मार्केट वहीं से गिरना चालू किया है और लास्ट 15 मिनट छोड़ 3 बजे के बाद तो मार्केट वाज यूनानिमसली बेसिकली ऑन ए सिंगल डायरेक्शन टुवर्ड्स डाउन साइड। लोगों ने कितना यहाँ पे क्या पैसे बनाया है आई डोंट नो, बट द मनी दैट वी हैव मेड which is around 140 points. मार्केट जब यहाँ पे ओपन हुआ था मैंने सेल किया था, it was 40 points. Then market when was here, I very clearly told that let market trace towards the upside and 39,500. High was 520. It went up to 560, but it's just a spike. But if you look at the average number, it was around 39,520.25. मैंने बोला था 39,500 के आसपास अगर रेड कैंडल बनता है, this would be the second leg of the price action. सेल यहाँ पे आपका बनेगा and this has been a wonderful sale in 5 minutes. That is simple buyer seller psychology. Okay, ये रेड कैंडल के बाद ये रेड कैंडल तो बनना ही था. It has to form. Okay, उसके बाद देखो मार्केट ने कोई कुछ नहीं बनाया. The moment this red candle is formed, the day low is not cut and there is no follow through candle below that for 10-15 minutes. मैंने क्या बोला, जो मैंने चैनल में अपडेट किया, मैंने बोला सिर्फ लो कट पे ही आपको सेल लेना है, ठीक है। और वो लो कट किया ही नहीं आधा घंटा तक। आई वाज वेरी क्लियर कि अभी मार्केट रेंज बाउंड होने वाला है, सो वी डिड नॉट ट्रेड एट ऑल। इसके बाद तो अपना आज ट्रेड ही नहीं था, जस्ट वाचिंग मार्केट ए लिटिल बिट हियर एंड देयर। देयर वाज नो ट्रेड एट ऑल बिकॉज आई रियली डाउट एज ऑप्शन बायर यू कुड हैव मेड मनी हियर। Okay, some people might have made money in scalping, but I'm talking about a very confident trade. It's very difficult to make it here. Okay, but anyway, forget about that. Okay, we need to delete this. This was the level anyway, one of the level where buys could have been taken, like this buy and this buy, though we have not discussed in the video, but I should have taken, but I was not in the market, so I didn't trade. Monday, so Tuesday देखो, if I have to justify my view is absolutely correct, right? क्योंकि हमने मंडे में क्या बोला था, मंडे सेल डाउन राइज होगा and we might see a recovery, so you will see a range bound market in Monday, which was, it was a heavily volatile fall, heavily volatile upside, right? Ideally तो व्यू मोटा मोटा तो सही था, but 50% of the time it was only sell on rise. Okay, rest of the 50% time of the it was recovery. This recovery was not expected because of Kotak Ajay put in the comment community tab, and Nifty was again on a furious recovery after the dip, right? The dip was really good, but the recovery was also furious, like 50 point के आसपास on the positive closing. But anyway, forget about that. As I said, if I want to justify, I can justify, but there is no point in justifying the views. However, हमारा व्यू क्या था कि R1 ये क्रॉस नहीं करेगा, राइट? वीकली व्यू वाज के बैंक निफ्टी R1 क्रॉस नहीं करेगा। निफ्टी में भी अगर आपने ध्यान दिया होगा, मैंने ये लेवल दिया था 18,060। मैंने बोला था ये लेवल भी निफ्टी को क्रॉस नहीं करना चाहिए, बिकॉज मैंने क्लियरली बोला था 18,191 आपको इग्नोर करना है। बट कल के बुल रन के बाद मैंने बोला बाई चांस अगर यहाँ पे मिल जाता है तो सेल कर सकते हैं। 100% कॉन्फिडेंस सेल एट दिस लेवल। बट एनीवे, today market could not go beyond like 30-40 points from our R1, and if you look at in this R1 it is struggling really high. Okay, so my personal view for tomorrow, देखो Astro की टाइमिंग के हिसाब से there is no timing to given for Astro tomorrow because the entire day looks to me actually on the positive side. I might be completely wrong, and again not trying to justify, but जब भी मैं कभी भी बोलता हूँ entire day is positive or entire day is negative, in the past 1 year there are 3-4 instances where the market has reversed exactly opposite. So there might be some calculation which might go wrong, the entire calculation set. Okay, so tomorrow फिर भी whatever calculation I have done, it looks positive. But looking at the data, which is actually really bearish from option chain data, and I don't think these option chain data are for next week expiry. These are definitely for this week expiry. There has been a long unwinding which has happened on Nifty, and there is a short built up which has happened in Bank Nifty, which I have exactly told in yesterday community tab that Bank Nifty looks weak to me. Okay, so that means there is a clear short ideally build up hua hai. Nifty mein there is a little bit of long unwinding happened. So these are two contradictory positions if you look at a little bit. That means people have basically gone out of the call. That means they probably want, there are two reasons which might happen because of which call unwinding might happen. The thing is that either people are thinking that market will go heavily bullish, which might be the clients, okay, because there is no segregation of that kind of data. And the second scenario is ideally people think that they have got enough premium in their call sell. Okay, either of the two reasons this might happen. So if it is the second reason, guys, for whatever reason, okay, then market will repeat probably last Wednesday's moves. That means agar market gap up ho jata hai, I will basically would definitely be comfortable in cutting the position. People who are having long position, I didn't have any positions this week anyway because market did not give a chance for me to take any positions. Okay, otherwise I could have started the positional sell anyway. Tomorrow also I would like last Wednesday, if market gaps up and try to consolidate here for some time, probably try to cut your long positions because we can see a good sell again tomorrow. May not be big if it is coming from the upper side, but at least let's say from this day high it is coming around 18,090, 18,100 ka level. Let's say the actual level is here 18,120 के आसपास. So we're talking about 60 points upside. Okay, अगर हो जाता है, possible अगर हो जाता है market, then you can probably take a sell from here. Okay, we should have been on the ultra bull side as per the timing, but I will pay first attention to price action rather than the timing. So I'll ignore the timing, not ignore, but secondary. I would basically trade like this tomorrow. I'll try to do a help like the way I did in the group live. So tomorrow, if this happens, okay, there might be a very high chances that market will come down. Okay, at least this level. Okay, so we are talking about 18,000, 17,970 gas first. That means we're talking about a 50 point, right? Sorry, 150 point sell. Okay, it may happen, may not happen. The reason I'm talking about market giving you a sell from this level is the reason is there is R2 here. And it is very rare unless market is really ultra bullish and have shown you a price action of strengthness. It is very difficult to cut R2, especially my weekly R2 levels. Okay, so this would definitely be a sell for sure. 18,190 if you reach, but I don't think it will reach. So 18,120 या ये day high 18,110 120 के आसपास अगर market आपको मिलता है, then you can actually should cut your long position and attempt for a sell. Okay, attempt for a sell with this high 18,120 के आसपास का stop loss लगा के आप निफ्टी में सेल कर सकते हो. Global market, if you look at, they're already negative, so I'm not sure if market is going to gap down. But why I'm not saying market will gap down, because whenever we see a pattern like this, especially on the last hours, especially Bank Nifty, if you look at, right, this pattern, okay, if you look at, it is highly probable that market will do a gap up rather than a gap down. Okay, market will do a gap up, probably stay for there for a longer period of time and then start falling ideally. Okay, right, that is the view. So market should gap up irrespective of how bad the global market is. Market should ideally gap up. Okay, but it should not go beyond. So there would be your chances to cut your long positions. Okay, right. One of the reason is, as I said, R2 crossing R2 would be really difficult, and we have not seen strength also. This is weakness. Okay, this is weakness in Nifty. Okay, right. So that's the reason I would go for, ideally from a price action point of view, I'll ideally go for a sell, and we will take the sell ideally. Okay, तो बाय व्यू वेडनेसडे का व्यू जो है टाइमिंग के हिसाब से पॉजिटिव है, बट आई विल नॉट प्ले विद दैट टुमारो. ओके, डेटा इज रियली बैड. And if you look at Bank Nifty, guys, Bank Nifty's R1 is here. So if you, I will not go, I'll just show you something which might give you some confidence to take the trade. So look at, this is support, and this is our R1. Okay, very lucky level probably tomorrow. It might be very lucky level tomorrow. If you get, I mean, market may reach here, may not reach here. And people who have done training for me, they know how to play this price action pattern. We'll start from here. Okay. When I'm drawing, people would probably figure it out what I'm drawing. Right. Okay. Market will gap up tomorrow here. And then boom. Okay. This is how market should behave ideally as per me. Okay. And the upper side is ideally kept according to this pattern. And if you see 39,500 to 39,600, 200 पॉइंट का अपसाइड है मेरे को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लग रहा है. 200 to 250 पॉइंट्स का अपसाइड. उससे ज्यादा बैंक निफ्टी सस्टेन नहीं कर पाएगा. बैंक निफ्टी एनीवे मेरे हिसाब से वीक है. आई विल कम टू द एक्सप्लेनेशन व्हाई, बट दिस शुड बी द बिहेवियर आइडियली टुमारो. ओके, सो ट्राई टू टेक दिस if possible. Okay, Bank Nifty. The second scenario, which is basically by looking at the global market, if market gaps down, guys, tomorrow, if market gaps down, Bank Nifty में इतने level है यहाँ पे, ये तो level है ही है, all these levels, and there are a couple of more here. This is so much congested area here, so much congested area. It would be very difficult for Bank Nifty to cross 39,000 tomorrow, even if market gaps down. Let's say market 100 points gap down भी करता है ना, I really doubt market can go beyond 200 points after gapping down. Okay, so ये एरिया में आपकी बाइंग बनती है. यहाँ पे वैसे पहले भी एक बाइंग दिया है. बाइंग नहीं बनेगा तो मार्केट रेंज बाउंड हो जाएगा. एंड माय पर्सनल व्यू इज, मार्केट अगर गैप डाउन करता है, this is the range in which market will ideally be volatile and range bound. Considering tomorrow as Wednesday, the people will try to eat the premium. ओके, गैप डाउन में मेरे को इस तरह का सिनारियो दिख रहा है बैंक निफ्टी में. द रेंज वुड बी अराउंड 39,050 टू 39,350. 300 पॉइंट्स का रेंज, उससे ज्यादा नहीं. ओके, 300 का पॉइंट के रेंज में वोलाटाइल होके ये रेंज बाउंड हो जाएगा गैप डाउन में. द ओनली गुड सेल दैट वी माइट गेट, एज आई सेड, इन द रिपीटेशन ऑफ नेक्स्ट वीक, लास्ट वीक्स वेडनेसडे. ये जो पैटर्न मैंने अभी इतना ढिंचैक बनाया है, you can go for a sell, and this might be ideally a good sell, at least here or at least here, this level. So we are talking about 39,600 to 39,200, 400 point का एक straight fall आपको मिलने की possibilities है. Try to capture that. Okay, a little bit weak because of the traveling, so I don't know how much of energy I have in my voice, but these are the only two trades that I'm going to take. And watch the Telegram channel. I would try to guide in live also, even if any view goes wrong. Okay, cool. And now I'll explain that why I'm weak in bank Nifty still. देखो, IndusInd Bank जो है, this is a news based fall anywhere. It is an inside candle. So the worst case, it will give you another 50-60 points fall up to this. That means we're talking about 1,000 point mota. Okay, 60 points fall, best case. Worst case, IndusInd Bank would not cross 1,076 anyway. Today's high cross करना थोड़ा मुश्किल है. Rather, it will come down and be range bound in this area. It might be possible that it might not go below 1,038. That means below this 20 point of fall. It might be possible. It might become range bound, but I will not be bullish on IndusInd Bank for sure. The only bank which I'm bothered is actually State Bank of India. State Bank of India is the only bank I would not dare to sell. Other than that, rest of the things can be sell on rise very easily. Okay, this is Axis Bank, a very clear sign of bearishness and weakness. Okay, range bound to sell. ICICI Bank, yeah, this is also, I don't have a very clear view on this. You have a gap here, which it might fail, but not definitely not tomorrow for sure. But ICICI Bank, I would not put any view. Let me look at a little bit of lower time frame and see if there are anything which is actually probably might help us to understand. Yeah, ICICI Bank also doesn't look positive to me. That means the upside is capped. It would be sell on rise. Okay, view is clear. So it will not go much unless there is chamatkar. Kotak Bank. Yeah, Kotak Bank should be negative. Okay, unless it, I mean, if you're selling, it should be day highs, previous day's high stop loss. Okay, because if it crosses it, and then Kotak Bank generally people put some huge money, sometimes it goes crazy. So that a scenario you cannot ignore. Otherwise, I'm still negative on Kotak. If you look at HDFC Bank and ICICI banks are of the same pattern, just let us look at it in a 5-minute time frame to understand whether HDFC Bank I would be positive or negative. Yeah, HDFC, actually HDFC Bank I don't have a view. ICICI still I would consider it as sell on rise. So HDFC Bank is the only bank where probably I will not put any view. 1582 is one of our label before 1582. Yeah, that would be a stop loss if you're trying to sell. Above 1582, it might fire another 10-15 points pretty easily up to 1600 level before it can come down. So I seriously don't have any views on HDFC banks. Rest of the banks should be sell on rise except SBI. Okay, so HDFC and SBI are the two banks that I will watch tomorrow to look for the bank nifty move. But option chain is ultra bearish. Clients are ultra bullish. You find yourself very lucky if market gaps up tomorrow. You find yourself very lucky. Just cut your long positions once again. Market may go up. I don't know if short covering happens. Market may go up. Trail. If you're lucky, you will get more money. If you don't lucky, don't cry. As simple as that. What I'm trying to advise you, basically do safe trading. It is intraday trading, guy. It's very important to do safe trading in intraday. We're not playing positional. Okay. Rest of the things, guys, on the channel live, if possible, whatever I can do. Okay. Thank you very much for listening. I know the energy in the video is really low, but I have been traveling, walking like for last 2 days. So the energy is a little bit low for sure. Anyway, thanks for the support, guys. Cheers. See you tomorrow.